Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make chapters in YouTube video. Adding a timestamp in a YouTube video allows viewers to quickly navigate to specific content or key moment. So let's start the video. The first step is to open YouTube Studio and then click on the Content tab on the left hand side. Make sure Videos tab is selected. All of your YouTube videos will be available here. Now find the video you want to add chapters to. So this is the video. Click on its title. On the video details page, you will see different tabs. Make sure you are on the details tab. Look for the description box. This is where we will be adding the chapter timestamps and titles. Each chapter will start with a timestamp followed by a title which gives viewers an idea of what that section is all about. Make sure you add the timestamp in minutes and second format. This ensures that YouTube recognizes it as a chapter marker. So these are the chapters in our video. We have introduction chapter at the start, and then at 35-second mark we have how to download. At around 1 minute and 5 second mark we have how to install, and then at the end of the video at around 1 minute and 50 second we have the video conclusion. You can continue adding more chapters using the same format. Once you have added all the chapters, scroll up and click on the save button. Play the video on the YouTube and check if the chapters are appearing. You should see the progress bar divided into sections according to your chapter timestamps. So this is the introduction chapter, and at the end this is the conclusion chapter. So that's it. You have successfully added chapters to your YouTube video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.